Hello, everybody. This is Diego Martinez. I'm bringing you with the new and upgraded Google Classroom intro. My other Google Classroom intro was it didn't work. It was like cutting and you couldn't understand me. And I'm also going to do another introductory of Zoom now that I had the full 15 minutes and I can do the whole thing at once. So, Google Classroom has been improved now that we are in the year 2020. It's basically not that hard to use. Basically, the only thing you have to do is to create a Google account, and I will leave the link at the bottom below. Create Google account. Like this. I will leave the link in the bottom below so you guys can register. But for now, let's do the intro and how will Google Classroom work. So I will go to my other account since I don't have nothing in there. Once you create your Google account, you're gonna click here. It has two options: create a class or join a class. You're gonna click join class because that's what you want to do. Or if you want to create one of your own, you can do it. And here, let's say I want somebody to join. They just put that link in there. SXSICRH. And then they click join. It'll take a few seconds, but then it will be uploaded immediately. Here, as I see, I I created a Google Classroom for one student for homeschooling, like learning at home now that this epidemic has been. And they can see their classwork, other topics I have assigned here, and which people, like teachers, only me. So, what they basically have to do is to solve one, just go here. If there's an answer, you just type your answer like that. Let's say negative 1,500, and then they turn in. And they have to use the sentence my answer is, or sometimes they can be the feature of edit. And once they turn them in, the teacher here can see the grades and can check who has solved them. And they put the grades in. And if the teacher tells them to edit, they can send them a comment like here, like comment, try again. And then they will receive it here. And also get a notification of their Gmail if they have a phone, tablet, or whatever types of things. So for teachers, there are a lot of great features of using Google Classroom. You can create either an assignment, which is assigning like a Google Docs or something you want to assign. You can attach a file, YouTube video, you can create a Google Doc, slides, sheets, drawings, forms, whatever. The quiz assignment, I really don't recommend that a lot because we don't use quiz assignments like with Google Forms, but they're really helpful. For question, you can type a question. You can either choose if it's a short answer or multiple choice. Then you put your instructions. You can also add a file, a link, or a document, and you can assign when it's due and if students can either answer or not. Now, material is for you teachers to just put something for the students, like no work, just like an instruction videos or a story or a PDF that you want students to listen to or look at. And the last thing is to reuse posts. You can reuse posts. Like let's say you posted a comment or something in Google Classroom and you want to reuse it and edit it. You can do that. And you can also create the topics. The topics are here. You see? So there's a lot of features of Google Classroom we have discovered, and it is really a good feature for you teachers and students to do it because you can communicate from students to teachers even if they're far away. You can use it on your phone, on a tablet, iPad, iPhone, whichever. You can do it online. Just as long you have a Google account, which I will leave to sign up in the description box below. So make sure you read that. And this has been a wonderful time. Please, guys, stay safe and wait. And make sure if you have a mask, put it on whenever you're going outside, and also use gloves just in case you already know how to use a debit card, or you're gonna pay with money, or like touch all of that. So please, thank you, and have a good and safe days until this coronavirus pandemic